Hey guys, it's me, if you can recognize me. I know it's been a really long time since we've spoken. I just want to apologize for that, but a lot of not so great things have happened to me lately that I've just had to deal with. But I've made time for you today. So, I did want to do two things, maybe three things. And the first is explain to you guys what my plans are for the immediate future regarding this channel. So, firstly, I want to apologize that I haven't gotten out the trigger assaultment thank you video that I wanted to do. I've been feeling absurdly unmotivated to do it. I've tried to film it a couple of times, but I'm really not happy with it. And what I have been motivated to do is to do more role plays, but I haven't gone about to do them because I didn't think it was appropriate to put those out first before saying thank you. But what I think I'll do is I'll just keep making videos because I miss you guys and I miss making videos, and I've got a couple of plans, and I do intend to do the trigger assaultment video, but maybe when inspiration strikes me one day, because it just felt so forced. But it's a good idea and I appreciate you guys, and I want to do the triggers for you. What I do plan on doing is not so much to make up for it, but a lot of you really like gum chewing. I'm not really into that, but I think I'll try and do like a gum chewing video at some point amongst my role plays. So secondly, because I won't be doing that video in the immediate future, but it will get done, I wanted to say thank you, and I really mean it. Thanks so much, guys. I seriously appreciate every one of you, and there appears to be about 200 more of you, so welcome. You're definitely welcome, and I hope these videos help you as much as they're helping me feel better and relaxed and have this awesome sense of purpose. It's really nice. I just like, it sounds lame, but I really like to help people. And if I can help you sleep, or help you relax, then I feel like my life is a little bit more worthwhile too. Plus I enjoy making them, so I'm really sorry I've been away and that I won't be able to produce it as quick as I wanted to, but hopefully you enjoy the new videos I'm going to make for you. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, have a lovely day.